I've been looking in the mirror for so long that I've come to believe my soul's on the other side. All the little pieces falling, shattered, shards of me, too sharp to put back together, too small to matter, but big enough to cut me into so many little pieces. If I try to touch her, and I bleed, and I breathe no more. Take a breath, and I try to draw from my spirit's well. Yet again you refuse to drink like a stubborn child. Lie to me, convince me that I've been sick forever. And all of this will make sense when I get better. But I know the difference between myself and my reflection. I just can't help